Okay, Jai Hind and exuberant greetings to all those who are present. We are here for the closing ceremony and we have been joined by principal of our school, Ms. Gurmeet Kaur ma'am. Ma'am, welcome to this closing ceremony. So without further ado, I would like to pass the onus of comparing to Aditya and the team. Over to Aditya.
The end of a melody is not its goal, but nonetheless, had the melody not reached its end, it would not have reached its goal either. Likewise, had this spirited event not come to a culmination, it would not have been able to honor the students that put their hearts and souls into bringing this event to life. We are elated for what Mindrocks 2021 taught us, though downhearted too that it has come to an end today. This event has taught us much, and I don't think we will be able to do justice in such little time. But despite that fact, I will try my best. Events such as fermentation taught us to stay connected to our land through innovative sciences. Financial literacy taught us how to be more confident with money. Legends Resurrect invoke critical thinking. Laughter Asylum taught us that laughter is the language of the soul. The debates taught us that our opinions matter. Matrix taught us that it's not about numbers, algorithms, or complex identities. The debates taught us that our opinions matter. Matrix taught us that it's not about numbers, algorithms, or complex identities. Instead, it's about understanding. Logo designing and art installation give us the importance of imagination, guiding us through the never-ending world of introspective art. We seek these blessings when we started this event, and it will only be fair that we close this with the blessings of God.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Marilyn Monroe had once said, "Don't let your fears of failing triumph over the joy of participating." But since we have to declare the winners of the various events, here we are with the students whose efforts reap just a bit more than their fellow participants. Starting with the offline events, first up, we have art installation. The judge for this event was Miss Anu Kalra, a spiritually inspired author, artist, and guide. We thank you, ma'am, for joining us in this event. The third prize goes to Sanji Jha of class 12th H and Chatakshi Kapoor of class 11th H. Up next, the second prize was bagged by Shreya Gupta of class 11th C. And finally, the first prize was won by Khushi Singh of class 11th F. Congratulations, everyone. Next up, we have Math Tricks for class 12. The third prize was won by Nikhil Kumar of class 12th K. The second prize was bagged by Arnav Kumar Shukla of class 12th J. And the first prize was bagged by Pranjal Sharma of class 12th K. Now coming to Math Tricks for class 11th, we have the third prize to Neha Chaudhary of class 11th K. The second prize is a joint between Sakshi Gupta of class 11th I and Vivan Arya of class 11th J. And finally, the first prize was bagged by Rohan Sinha of class 11th F. Next up, we have logo designing. This event was adjudged by Ms. Shambhu Kumar Srivastav, coordinator MCA at the School of Management Sciences. We thank you, sir, for taking out time for us. The third prize was won by Astha Pathak of class 12th B. The second prize was won by Afar Jaiswal of class 12th J. And the first prize was bagged by Kartikeya Kumar Singh of class 12th K. Congratulations to all the winners. With this, I bid farewell. Over to Mitha.
Thank you, Aditya. Making a change in the world requires a strong mind and a brave heart. In Bhagwanpur, the person we always look up to whenever we need help is our Assistant Director, Pratima ma'am. We are glad to have a message from ma'am for all the participants and viewers who helped make this year's Mind Rocks lively and successful.
Jai Hind everyone. Like every year, Mind Rocks this year too proved that the potential of the students who have come to us over the years is sterling. In 9 events, of which 6 were online and 3 were offline, and the events that spanned the gamut from literary to the cyber oriented to something like even art installation, we saw innovative thinking, we saw creativity unleashed. Above all, we saw the desire to do something different and to do something new. Well, Mindrocks is being organized for the past so many years for classes 11 and 12 with this very objective. And whatever we witnessed yesterday during the competitions has given us the indication once again that such competitive arenas not only hone the talent but also prepare young adults to have their own opinions, to have their own stances, and above all, to meet the challenges when they go out into the world as well-groomed students, and then they put together this talent and this earned skill into wins and victories at the university levels also. I have no hesitation in saying that we will be carrying forward with Mindrocks next edition in 2022. We will perhaps be adding a couple of more events of drama and literary expression more, because we also feel that every year there has to be something new in the purview of the competitions as well. So wishing all the participants and the winners the best for learning and for becoming better in every endeavor. Take care everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Continuing with the awards, the next event that we have is the English debate. The third prize was joined between Ratnam Rinalini of 12th J and Sanskriti Rai of 11th H. The second prize goes to Satakshi of 12th A and Priyanshi of 11th L. And the first prize was bagged by Aditya Singh of 11th E. Congratulations to all the winners. The next event that we move on to is the Legends Resurrect. The third prize was bagged by Anushka Upadhyay of 12th H. The second prize goes to Shail Nayan of 11th L. And the first prize was bagged by Manpreet Kaur of 11th L. Congratulations to all. The next event that we move on to is the Farmvention. The third prize goes to the team of Ayush Kumar, 11th I, Tanishq Baranwal of 11th I, and Amritansh Mishra of 11th I. The second prize was bagged by Chetna Vijay Rai, 12th J, Ratnam Rinalini of 12th J, and Madhuresh Kumar Sinha of 12th J. The first prize goes to the team of Aryan Maurekant, 11th I, Avanish Kushwaha of 11th I, and Bhavya Shukla of 12th J. Congratulations to all the winners.
Moving forward with the last set of awards, we have the Hindi debate, that is the Vaad Vivad Pratiyogita. And the third prize goes to Rupali Rai from 11th M. The second prize goes to Anushka Singh from 11th I. And the first prize goes to Vaibhav Raj from 12th J. Congratulations to all the winners. Next up, we have the finalists. And the third prize goes to Shail Kumar Mishra, 11th F, Riddhi Srivastav, 11th F, Kanan Kashyap, 11th F, and Abhijit Singh, 11th F. The second prize goes to Nishant Dixit, 12th F, Sachi Gujarati, 11th F, Sudarshi Sonawala, 11th F, and Shruti Garg, 12th G. And the team that gets the first prize is Divyansh Nagpuri, 12th F, Kirtan Agarwal, 12th F, Vanshika Sonawala, 12th L, Sanskar Verma, 12th F, and Shreya Kumari, 12th G. Now we move on to the next set of awards, that is the Laughter Asylum. And the third prize goes to Ayushi Kumari from 11th H. The second prize goes to Gargi Tripathi from 11th K. And the first prize goes to Satyam from 11th C. Congratulations to all the winners.
This year's Mind Rocks mostly focus on the brave and fearless minds of the youth, giving them all a stage to project their ideas and opinions from. Who better understand this than our own principal Gurmeet ma'am, who has seen the highs and the lows of the youth. Ma'am, I would request you to please come and share your views on how the events proceeded.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know, there was some problem with the connection. So sorry for that. Good morning and Jai Hind everyone once again. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all the winners of the different events. And Mind Rocks has been a yearly fest for classes 11 and 12. Basically to find out the talent, number one, because there are a lot of students in class 11 who join us new from different institutions. So this platform gives way to these students to present themselves in front of each one of us. And it's so beautiful to know all the students, their strengths, that these are the areas, and this is how we take you further in class 12. As Pratima ma'am said in her message, that we go on adding new dimensions to it, and as per the new requirement as well, whatever you feel. And I was very happy to see this year's different activities which were shortlisted, and they were all very new, and they gave the students a platform to perform. All the students and the teachers worked very hard for this event, and in a very short span of time you did a wonderful job. Thank you so much, all of you. And as I feel, this is when you participate in Mind Rocks, there may be very few winners, as coming up in front, but in the whole process I think a lot of people learn. And it is just not the students who learn, it is we, the teachers, we all of us learn. Because when you brainstorm and find out a new topic or something, it is always a learning process, and this is what we discover. Also, such events build a rapport between the teachers and the students. So these activities, what we do, are very important for each one of us. And this is why this festival is very close to each one of us heart. So this fest is, like a major festival for each one. So keep participating and keep looking forward. And we'll meet you all in 2022 for the Mind Rocks again. And I wish all the best to each one of you. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Over to Laviba.
Thank you, Midhat. Looking back at what the last 2 days have brought us, we must acknowledge and thank all those who made this possible. For gratitude is not the greatest of all virtues, but the parent of them all. For the vote of thanks, we would like to call our Vice Principal, Prerna Ma.
Thank you, Laviba. Our evolutionary theory tells us that from our existence, each species is continuously engaged in competition for survival and existence. And to make this even more authentic, Sunbeam English School, Bhagwanpur, which is actually our home, where we nurture our students through different activities. Mind Rocks is one of the activities which helps our students to develop important skills like resilience, perseverance, tenacity. Our students learn how to take turns, how to encourage others, and develop empathy. During the process of this event, I myself have learned so many things from the students, so many things from the teachers, and so many good feedback we received from the judges from India and abroad. And I must tell everyone, I thank from my heart each teacher of Sunbeam Bhagwanpur for giving their best, for trying hard in training the students and trying to make this event so successful. So today, whatever praises we are getting from principal ma'am, from assistant director ma'am, or whatever feedback we have got from judges outside, the credit is entirely of the teachers and their students. So I am looking forward for yet one more Mind Rocks next year with the same enthusiasm, with same hard work, and I congratulate all the students who participated, because the objective of Mind Rock has never been to win or to lose. That is only a very small part of a competition, one angle of a competition. The main objective of this Mind Rock is to rock the mind. And I know we have intelligent minds which can do wonders. So I thank Gurmeet ma'am, I thank Pratima ma'am for giving us such an opportunity to showcase our talent, our organization skill. And I thank all the teachers who worked hard towards this event to make it a great success. And I thank and congratulate all the students that they worked so hard and participated. Next year, I want more participation from the students. Till then, thank you, Jai.
Thank you so much, ma'am. In each loss, there is a gain. In each gain, there is a loss. And with each ending, there comes a new beginning. This is what I remind all of us before we close Mind Rocks 2021 officially. Life was described by William Wordsworth as sea tides on a full moon night, alternating between ups and downs, wins and losses, victories and defeat throughout its journey. Remember, what matters is not what you got, but what you put in. Because putting in your best is the most you can do, and the least you should. To wrap things up, I thank all of those who joined us for this ceremony and all those who made Mind Rocks 2021 possible. Thank you and Jai Hind.